Hi, it's my first time here. Do you have any recommendations?
Of course, we're known for our grilled salmon and creamy pasta. Do you prefer seafood or something else?
Hmm, I do like seafood, but I'm also craving something light. What do you suggest?
I'd recommend our grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. It's flavorful, but not too heavy.
That sounds great. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water for now. By the way, do you make fresh juices?
Yes, we do. Our most popular one is fresh orange juice.
That sounds refreshing. I'll take one.
Got it. Your food should be ready in about 15 minutes.
No rush. By the way, do you enjoy working here?
Actually, yes. I get to meet interesting people every day, and I love talking about food.
That's nice. Have you ever had a funny customer experience?
Oh, definitely. Once a customer ordered spaghetti but asked for it without the noodles. I was so confused.
Ha 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 ha. So basically, they just wanted the sauce?
Exactly, it was hilarious. But hey, we always try to make our customers happy.
That's great service.
Here's your grilled salmon and orange juice. Enjoy!
Wow, this looks amazing. Let me take a picture first.
Haha, go ahead. A lot of people do that.
This is delicious. The salmon is perfectly cooked.
I'm so glad you like it.
I might have to come back and try your pasta next time.
You definitely should. We have a special truffle pasta that people love.
Sounds tempting. By the way, do you have any desserts?
Yes, our best seller is the chocolate lava cake. It's warm, rich, and comes with vanilla ice cream.
You're making it hard to say no. Okay, I'll take one.
Here's your chocolate lava cake. Be careful, it's hot.
Wow, it smells amazing. Let's see. Mmm, this is heaven.
Haha, happy to hear that. Would you like the bill now?
Yes, please.
Here you go. You can pay by card or cash.
I'll use my card. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. I'll definitely be back.